In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete review in Gumroad. Right up front, here's the key. Creators can't manually delete customer reviews on Gumroad. What you can do, though, is reach out to your audience in a professional, transparent way and ask them to update or reconsider a review after you've addressed their concerns. I'll show you exactly how to do that using Gumroad's built-in emails tool. First, go to your Gumroad dashboard and sign in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Emails. This is where you create targeted messages to customers who've purchased your products. Next, click New Email. This opens a fresh campaign draft. Start by choosing your audience. Pick the group that makes the most sense for the situation, typically buyers of the specific product associated with the review. The tighter the audience, the more relevant and respectful your message will feel. Select your channel. Stick with standard email for a simple one-time outreach. Then review the engagement options. If available, use these settings to focus on people who are more likely to see and interact with your message, such as recent buyers. Keeping the message focused helps avoid spamming your broader list. Before you write, toggle allow comments if you'd like recipients to reply publicly on the email page. If you prefer private replies only, leave this off and encourage them to respond directly via email. Now add a clear, empathetic title. Something like, "We've improved your product experience," sets the tone without pressure. In your personalized message, acknowledge the feedback you received, explain what you've changed or fixed, and thank them for helping you improve. Then, politely invite them to update their review if their experience has changed. Keep it courteous and never offer incentives in exchange for a positive review. Most platforms, Gumroad included, discourage that. If it helps, include simple instructions or a direct link to where they left the review, so updating is easy. If you have helpful materials like a revised file, a quick start guide, or a changelog, click Attach Files, choose the file from your computer, and click Open. This demonstrates that you've acted on the feedback and adds real value to your message. When everything looks good, click Save or Publish. You can save a draft to revisit later or publish to send right away. After sending, monitor replies and continue improving your product based on constructive input. That's it. While you can't delete reviews in Gumroad, a thoughtful email to the right audience can turn critical feedback into a better product and often an updated review.